People love the Blue Owl for our hospitality, for our delicious home-cooked food, and our fabulous, awesome, award-winning desserts.
We probably make at least 50 different kinds of cakes, pies, and cheesecakes that we serve daily at the Blue Owl.
Having been in business all of these years, I love True. It absolutely keeps all of our temperatures correct. We've had True ever since I started in 1985, so it's been 36 years. My goal was 30 customers a day when I started, and we have actually served over 2,000 people in a day. True really covers every aspect of our food, our desserts, our drinks. It takes care of everything for us here at the Blue Owl. Without that kitchen prep table, we could not put out the number of sandwiches that we do on a daily basis. And I have a salad prep table. We make hundreds of salads every day for the customers.
We ship thousands of cakes and pies all over the country. The True freezer that we use has such a quick pull-down temperature that it allows us to decorate in the morning, freeze the pies or the cakes quickly, and then ship them out fresh directly to the customer.